Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to Wednesday's daily market outlook video. We're going to cover the DXY, the Euro USD, and the GBP USD pairs today. But firstly, as we didn't do yesterday, I looked back and noticed we didn't cover the economic calendar. So moving forward from today, we're pretty good with news actually. There's not much in the way of news at all this week that should really give us much grief. We do have a little bit of unemployment claims here on the USD pairs on Friday, but that's sort of outside of like our trading hours anyway. So that shouldn't give us much of grief at all. So basically, all systems are go looking for any trades this week. Here on the 4-hour chart, so we can see as we were yesterday, we just tapped up into this range. We can come down here on let's go to the 30-minute chart here, and we can see yesterday, so during yesterday's video, we'd had this pullback. We can see here we swept Asia low, pushed up, and as we sort of discussed yesterday, we were talking about possibly taking liquidity off this high here, which obviously we did, but kept this strong high, found a rejection there, and ultimately came down lower. Now, obviously, this flips the 15-minute very bearish, the 30-minute here bearish, and I would say the hour bearish as well. So basically, what I would assume we are looking for now is to pop down to this big imbalance area here. So basically, what we're looking for today is just a continuation down into here, and then possibly looking for our support in there to come up ultimately higher, break these highs and come up higher into this larger imbalance area. I think we have marked out on the monthly, I remember. Yeah, so there's our monthly imbalance in there. So quite a strong imbalance area that we've tapped into at the moment. Coming down to the daily, we can see here pretty clearly there it's located right in the middle there. So, right in the middle there. So that's what we're looking for, push up higher into that area, and then possibly looking for a further continuation down. But for today, jumping down here on the 15-minute, just looking for any sort of areas that we may be able to get short from to target down into this box down here. So what we would be assuming for today, we can see here we've broken this level here, consolidated here for a bit. We can see here setting high, low, lower high, lower low, then coming up. So basically there's a lot of liquidity here sitting just above the Asian range here. So what I would assume is that we may see a push up, retest a few of these areas up into here, and then looking at shorting from there, coming down lower. So that's basically what I would be looking for on the Dixie, or failing that, we may just see a break and a retest internal and then going short from there. But that's basically the two scenarios that I would be watching for today. Euro USD. So Euro USD, we'll jump out here on a slightly higher time frame. We can see here, as we were discussing the other day, we did have that double touch, and now ultimately we've started to push up higher. We have this very bearish, we've got this descending flag here. Then we've swept the lows on that. We have tapped down into this area. So basically this is now a double touch. So what I would be assuming is possible pullback and then to come down and possibly sweep that area in total. Why have I marked that out like that? That must be on a lower time frame there. Yeah, no, that should sort of be that range there. So that consolidated range. So anyway, at least pulling down further into that consolidated range, I'd like to see before pushing ultimately higher. But at the moment, definitely based on Dixie, probably looking for a minor continuation retrace here. So we can see definitely here that we've had this bounce, found support. If anything, we just nipped lower than it by a pip and ultimately push back up, taking liquidity highs here. So what we'd be looking for is a pullback, either a pullback down just out of the range and then going long from that position, or we see a break and then a retest. If we can get an internal retest, then we look to go long from that position there. And ultimately, I'd probably be targeting, my first targets would be this high here. Obviously possibly pushing up towards this area of imbalance here on the 15-minute if need be. Obviously first targets would be those liquidity highs there, and then possibly looking for this large area here before we're looking for a bigger time frame move. GBP USD, pretty much the same thing. We've come down. It didn't get as big a bounce as we did on Euro, and now I've started marching up. There's that liquidity high there that we marked out on the other one. And obviously here is the major imbalance through here and a little bit here that needs to be worked out. So basically just a bit of a long bias here on these two pairs at the moment. If we get a break to the low side, look for that lower time frame and then push, look to trade long from there, or we get a break and a retest and we push long from there. Obviously first target being these liquidity highs. Anyway, guys, that's my analysis for today. Again, appreciate the support for everyone who's watching, and we'll be back again for tomorrow for another daily market outlook video. Thank you. Thanks for watching another daily market outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.